No option given to switch on a camera. Oh, ho, ho. Choose a filter. Let me check, sir. Let me check. Audio. Always. So try now. Sarvanan. Shravan. Okay. Still no option. Manohar, good evening. Jal, Brijan Das, Bhaskar Reddy, Brijan Das, Vijan Kishore, Chintamani, D.R. Dasari, Sita Ramaya, Dasari, Deepak Ohri, Mr. Dr. Mahen Patel, Deepak Ohri, Girija, Hemant Gundal, Rendra Sonakshi, Jayesh Joshi, KK, Jayesh Shoni, Kapil Dev, Dennis Kishore, okay, Lakshmi, Mamta Kashyap. Okay. Hemant Gundal. Okay, sir. Let it be. Let us see your face in next class. Okay. Might be some technical issue. I am very poor in this technicals, not in technical analysis, in system technicals. Okay, let us start. Can you see my screen? All of you can see my screen? Yes. It's a whiteboard, right? Okay. Suraj, it's okay, Suraj, because even I don't know how to switch on your cameras. Okay. Let us see our faces on next session. Naveen Kumar, yes. Yes, Naveen Kumar. So first, let it start from Doe theory. What it's called? DOW theory. Doe theory or Doe theory. What do you call it as? Doe theory or Doe theory? Because we are Indians, we name ourselves whatever we need. Okay. Yes, Naveen Kumar. Yes. Don't worry, you will get recording. Doe is a person who invented market movements. Okay. Market movements are there already, but he invented some patterns which repeatedly happening in the stock market. Okay. That is very simple. So what he invented is market will never move upside like a straight line, or it will never move down like straight line. Okay. Before this, market it will create its own patterns. Okay. So what is that pattern? Yes, Satipandu. Yes. First thing, what will happen before moving upside? Before moving upside, it will prepare. How does it will prepare? It will prepare in a sideways. it will prepare in a sideways. That will be a range. In a range, it will prepare. See, if sometimes you want to leave to another place, okay, directly you will wake up and you will not run to that place, right? You will wake up, then you will prepare, then you will move. Same way, market will prepare, okay, to move upside, to move upside. इसको बोलेगा accumulation phase. ओके, ऊपर जाने के लिए प्रिपेयर होता है ना, वो प्रिपरेशन में मार्केट साइडवेज में चलता है, सो इट विल बी इन ए रेंज, उसको बोलेगा accumulation phase. Okay, after accumulation phase, once it is done, it is like a flight. What will happen? Flight, it will be moving on the earth, okay, for some 5 to 7 kilometers it will be moving, maybe 3 to 4 kilometers. Immediately then it will take off. Okay, same way it will be in sideways, then it will give a breakout of this range. Okay, it will give a breakout of this range. So after breakout only we can come to know that this is the accumulation phase. Okay, first phase is accumulation phase. Once accumulation happens, it is completed, then it will start to move up. Once the speed, the required speed is increased by the pilot, then it will start to take off. This same way, once the accumulation over, then breakout happens and it takes upside. Okay, it is called markup phase. आलोक जी, मैं हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूँ, दोनों भी बोल रहा हूँ ना. ओके, सो एक बार एक्युमुलेशन फेस हो गए तो ये टेकअप हो जाएगा ऊपर ब्रेकआउट देके, ये रेंज को ब्रेकआउट देके, उसको बोलेंगे हम मार्कअप फेस. ओके, देन आफ्टर मार्कअप again it will take some rest. It cannot, anybody cannot move to one place to another place without taking rest. Same way, again it will go to the rest in a sideways. Okay, so this is once again called taking rest to move upside. Okay, whenever it happens, breakout happens here, then we call it as a reaccumulation phase. So the first one was a basic accumulation. It is the starting of the accumulation. That's why we call it as a accumulation phase. Next, after accumulation, movement is called markup phase. Okay, again a pause before moving upside, again it takes a pause. Okay, rest. A rest को हमें बोलेंगे reaccumulation. Reaccumulation to move upside. So कितने बार वो ऊपर जाने के लिए ट्राई होता है ना, उतना बार वो रीअक्यूमुलेशन करके ऊपर भागेगा. ओके, देवेंद्र, रीअक्यूमुलेशन कभी बोलेंगे, कभी ब्रेकआउट ऊपर होता है ना, उसको बोलेंगे रीअक्यूमुलेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, this will be keep repeating until this stock will get tired. Okay, accumulation, markup, reaccumulation, markup, reaccumulation, markup, reaccumulation, markup. Suppose this stock has moved very huge from here to here, then if it wanted to turn down, नीचे आने के लिए वो करेगा, it will create itself. This is called distribution phase. Distribution phase. So those who have accumulated मतलब buy करके रखना. गौतम, आवाज कट हो रहा है. Anybody facing voice problem? Anybody facing voice problem? No, right? It is clear, right? All of you can. Thoda hai. So it is not from my side, sir. Maybe from your side. Please check your internet. Okay, it's clear. Okay. So accumulation मतलब buy करके बैठना. Okay. Why do you buy? Expecting it will go upside. Okay, Pius. Okay. Why do you buy? Accumulation मतलब buy करके बैठना. Why do you buy? Thinking that it will go up, right? Who will accumulate? Accumulation मतलब कौन accumulate करके बैठता है? You and me accumulate and sitting means market will not move upside. Big boys, when big boys will accumulate, they will move the market upside. That's the reason they will accumulate. So that's the reason they will create this accumulation phase. Okay. So after this accumulation, this is the reversal distribution. Distribution मतलब सारे शेयर्स को बेच देना. ओके, एग्जिट कर देना. ओके, उसको बोलते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. Once distribution happens, breakdown happens downside. So this range को breakdown नीचे को breakdown होकर नीचे आ जाएगा प्राइस. Okay, again still it wants to move down. Again it will create a sideways market and give again breakdown. इसको बोलेंगे हम, sorry, I will write little bigger. Okay, इसको बोलेंगे हम मार्क डाउन फेस. मार्क डाउन फेस. ऊपर जाने वालों को बोलेंगे हमें मार्क अप. नीचे आने वालों को बोलेंगे हमें मार्क डाउन फेस. ओके, डोंट वरी, इट इज नॉट वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर द नेम्स. आप कॉन्सेप्ट सुन लो और अंडरस्टैंड कर लो बस. ओके, अगेन इट विल गो टू redistribution phase. Okay, again markdown. All these are the markups. Markup. Okay, all these are the markup. All these downfalls are the markdown. So this preparation is happening here. ये मूव होने के लिए प्रिपरेशन इधर पे बनता है. सो दिस इज द डिसीजन विल हैपन हियर. सो ये मूव होने के लिए आपका डिसीजन इधर बनता है. Yes, Parag, yes. So did you understand? All of you understand? Any doubts on this? So there are accumulation phase, markup phase, okay, reaccumulation phase, distribution phase, markdown phase, redistribution phase. Okay, so it means that for a true breakout, market should go into sideways. Yes, it can be for a long term sideways, it can be for a short term sideways. Debsosis, I will tell you. Okay, so this is understood, right? So because we have to understand whether it is a markup phase or a reaccumulation phase to take the trades. So if you are thinking that market ऊपर जाएगा करके think करके distribution phase में trade ले लिया, क्या होगा? आपका stop loss hit होगा. So distribution phase is to take a sell trade, not to take buy trade. Reaccumulation is to take a buy trade. Reaccumulation मतलब आप पहला मूवमेंट में बाई नहीं किया, उसके बारे सेकेंड उसको क्या बोलेंगे, आपको सेकेंड ऑप्शन, सेकेंड चांस ऑफ बाइंग, सेकेंड चांस ऑफ बाइंग को बोलते हैं रीअक्यूमुलेशन. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? सो लेट मी शो यू. तो इसको बोलेंगे हम accumulation. After accumulation, breakout has given went up. Again, it went to sideways. Okay. Again, breakout happened, and again sideways. Again movement. Again sideways. Again movement. Okay. Again sideways. It can be smaller sideways. It can be bigger sideways. Okay. There are different types of trends. Micro trends, macro trends. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फेस मतलब गौतम सेल ट्रेड लेना नहीं, सेल के लिए प्रिपेयर होता है मार्केट. मार्केट विल प्रिपेयर इटसेल्फ टू गो टू द सेल. ओके, एनी टाइम फ्रेम इफ यू सी दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्शन, if you see this kind of action, that will be that phase. Okay, now you can see from here to here it is completely accumulation phase. Okay, it is clearly accumulation phase, so it is preparing for up move. Okay, once it gives a breakout, it will move up. Okay, again what happened, it has created a distribution. It is not necessary that every time it has to create a reaccumulation, go up, reaccumulation, go up. Okay, so you need to understand what is happening. इधर पे क्या हो रहा है, this is the accumulation. After accumulation, it tried to go up, but there is no energy. Yes, 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 Rishikesh. Yes, yes. Okay. Then it created a distribution. It is not able to go up because those who are accumulating and those who are distributing, these people are different. Sometimes it might be same, sometimes this might be different. Okay. Again, after distribution, markdown happened. A markdown was very small. Again, accumulation is happening. After accumulation, market move upside. Okay, again you can see a distribution. Okay, again it is coming down. So if you see this kind of movements, if you see this kind of movement, so it means there are no strong sellers or there are no strong buyers to take the decision. Got it? So those who bought here, these people are not these people. Okay, and those who sold here, these are not these people. Buy करने वाले लोग different, because there we have a lot of buyers like different institutions, different mutual funds. Okay, in mutual funds itself we have 300 mutual funds. Okay, एक म्यूचुअल फंड लोग ने बाय किए इधर, दूसरे म्यूचुअल फंड लोग ने सेल किए, बिकॉज both of their opinions are different, right? So some mutual fund has been bought here. Okay, some mutual fund is selling here, some banks are selling here. That's why fighting is happening in between buyers and sellers. That's the reason you can see in a bigger view, इतना बड़ा व्यू में देखा तो मार्केट कहाँ भी नहीं गए, एक रेंज में फंस गए हैं. KK, accumulation distribution phase happened at resistance and support level. Abhishek, it is not necessary, sir. Always it should be happen at resistance, it should be not happen at support. It is not necessary. Accumulation and distribution phase itself the support and resistance. Okay, KK, how can they sell? Sir, those who are selling here, these people might be already bought. Maybe they bought at higher prices, maybe they bought at lower prices. Okay, maybe they bought 5 years back, they bought at 1 year back. Got it, KK? Sellers मतलब निकल जाना. Okay, You can see this is a 2020 fall. This is not Indian market. Still, I am showing you. You can see this S&P. See, before falling, you can see a distribution here. You can see a distribution. After distribution, it got fall. Again, you can see a redistribution. Again, fall. Okay. Again, here you can see accumulation. This phase is the accumulation phase. So sometimes accumulation phase can be a shorter or it can be a longer. Okay. After that, it has given a breakout. So when accumulation happens, reaccumulation happens, the reason is, see, you become a Buddha, okay, might be 90 to 95 years. If you want to walk 1 kilometer, for every 100 meter, you will take a rest. Again, you will try to walk. Every 100 meter, you will take a rest for 5 minutes. Again, you will walk. So this is called rest. Why it is resting? Why it is resting? It is asking for the people to come and buy me or whether sell me. Okay. And those who come and those who win will take the market to that side. Got it? अरे भाई आप सेल करो मुझे, आप बाई करो. सो बाई करने वाले लोग 100 लोग आ गए, सेल करने वाले लोग कम आ गए, तो बाई करने वालों साइड मार्केट चले जाएगा. ओके. सो मार्केट ऑलवेज क्रिएट्स उसको काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके. इटसेल्फ खुद एनर्जी क्रिएट करेगा मार्केट मूवमेंट करने के लिए. Kapil Dev. See, once this sideways happens for a long time and it gives a breakout upside, then only you can identify this as an accumulation zone. Okay. Before that, you cannot say whether it is accumulation or distribution, because what is happening in the accumulation and distribution zones? It is a fight, sir. It is a fight. Accumulation and distribution में क्या हो रहा है? Fight है. क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है? See, for every buying quantity, there should be a selling quantity, right? There should be a selling quantity. Without selling quantity, how can you buy, right? So if you are buying 100 shares, buyer is buying 100 shares, 100 shares somebody is selling. Okay. Same way, until the buyer is buying all the quantity who is seller is selling, the सारा quantity buyer लोग खरीद लिया, बाद में उसके जोड़ में अभी 10 लोग आ गए बाई करने के लिए, तब क्या होता है? ब्रेकआउट देता है. Suppose the buyer has bought all the quantity which seller has sold, and with the seller some more 2-3 sellers, new sellers entered into the market, then what will happen? Market will give a breakdown. Then this will be a distribution zone. Understood? Understood? Okay, good. Gautam, I will not repeat. You can watch the recording. Okay, because a lot of time if we spending here itself, it will be not good. Then you have seen that candles, right? You have seen the candles, a green candle, a red candle. Yes. Who don't know? What, Namrata madam? क्या डाउट है? Please, if you have a doubt, please directly type it, because time will waste. Namrata madam, we just started. अभी हमें सिग्नल तक नहीं आए हैं. Okay, we have just started from basic. ओके, वी विल गो टू दैट. सिग्नल कैंडल तक अभी नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज ग्रीन कैंडल मतलब बाइंग कैंडल और दैट इज द प्रॉफिटेबल डे कैंडल. ओके, रेड कैंडल मतलब लॉस कैंडल, उसी दिन पे स्टॉक को लॉस हो गए. ओके, सो ऊपर ओपन हुए और नीचे क्लोज हुए स्टॉक, उसके वास्ते इसमें लॉस हो गए, वो स्टॉक लॉस में एंड हुआ, ये स्टॉक प्रॉफिट में एंड हुआ. दिस इज द जस्ट simple introduction of candles. Okay, now let us move to the trend lines. Yes, Manisha. Manisha, is it female or male, if you don't mind? So, because there are a lot of Manish. Trend lines. Okay. Oh, sorry, madam. Okay. Trend lines. Trend lines. So what is the meaning of trend lines? Lines. It is a line. We are going to draw the line. Trend line. Why do we call it a trend line? ये लाइंस हमको ट्रेंड बोलेगा, क्या ट्रेंड है वो बताएगा, उसके वास्ते हमें उसको ट्रेंड लाइन बोलेंगे. ओके, market we know that it will not move in a straight line, it will move in a zigzag manner. Okay, and it will move like this zigzag manner. When it is moving zigzag like this, if you can see the all the lows are making higher lows, एक के ऊपर एक सीढ़ियां जैसे बना रहे हैं. तभी आप क्या करेंगे, आप चूज करो, दो लॉस को चूज करेंगे, किसी दो लॉस को. ओके, choose yourself any two lows. Okay, then from that point to this point you just draw the line, then extend it. There is an option of extend in the chart. Okay, if you extend it, उसी को बोलेंगे हमें uptrend line. Uptrend line. So now what will happen, price, if the price is above this trend line, until and unless if the price is above this trend line, हमें उसको बोलेंगे अप ट्रेंड में है स्टॉक. ओके, सो दैट्स द रीजन वी हैव नेम्ड दिस एज ए ट्रेंड लाइन. ये बोल रहा है स्टॉक अभी ट्रेंड लाइन ट्रेंडिंग में है. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कनेक्टिंग लाइन्स. ओके, if you want to always follow wick to wick, you can follow wick to wick. If you want to follow closing, you can connect only closing. Okay, so whatever the time frame you want to do analysis, in that time frame you have to do this, sir Nikhil ji. Okay, same way when market or stock is falling, if you see this kind of lower lows in the stock, you just connect any of the two lows and extend it. Okay, तभी तक, sorry, connect any two of the highs. Okay, and extend it, then तभी तक ये प्राइसेस ये ट्रेंड लाइन के नीचे रहेगा, तभी तक ये डाउन ट्रेंड में रहेगा. Now I will give you a small clue. This is the graph, right? This is a zero angle, this is the x axis and this y axis. आपको किसी ट्रेंड लाइन ये जीरो से ऊपर तक ऐसे इंक्लिनेशन दिखेंगे, प्राइस इसके ऊपर रहेगा ना, उसको बोलेंगे हमें अप ट्रेंड लाइन. सो इफ यू सी ट्रेंड लाइन विच इज बिलो 0 डिग्रीज, विच इज बिलो 0 डिग्रीज, उसको बोलेंगे डाउन ट्रेंड लाइन. सिंपल. सो कभी आप अप ट्रेंड लाइन लिखते हैं ना, whenever you are drawing a uptrend line, you must join all the lows. Okay, lows को ज्वाइन करना. आप 0 डिग्री से नीचे लिखते हैं ना, इसको हाइस में कनेक्ट करना. Bhaskar Reddy, it is better to connect wick to wick because that is the least movement of the lowest movement of the stock. Now I will tell you how to write the trend lines perfectly. How to write the trend lines perfectly. This is the zigzag movement in the stock. So you might ask whether I have to join this to this or this to this or this to this. You must always consider a recent two lows and draw the trend line. Okay. Why to draw the trend line? Further, price third time will come to this trend line and take the support. This trend line will work as a support. Okay. Then from here, stock will move up. So this will help us to buy on this place. ये place में हमको buy करने के लिए हमें use होगा. That is the reason we have drawn trend line. And we also understand if the price is trading above this, the stock is in uptrend. It is following the trend. Okay. Now in downtrend, you must always choose a recent two highs, and then you can join this and extend it. So later, if price touches this, this will offer resistance, and this is where you can take a sell trade in the next touch. Okay, let it look at on the chart. Now it is creating low, high, higher low, higher high, again higher low, and it is yet to make a higher high, yet to make higher high. Okay, now it is in uptrend, right? Raviraj, you can't do anything, sir. If it doesn't touch the trend line, you can't do anything. Okay. Now take the trend line option here. See, there is a button here in the trading view, trend line, Alt T. Okay. Click that. First point it to the low. Any time frame, Suresh Bogra. Any time frame. If you want to do analysis in any time in that time frame, you can draw this. Now tell me, any of you 1, 2, 3. Okay. And A, B. So how to draw the trend line? Which point to which point? Which point to which point? 1 to 3. 1 and 3. Okay. 2 and 3. Jose Raj. 1 and 3. What is A, B? 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Nikhil ji, you can't join 3 points. Okay. You have to join only 2 points. Nikhil ji. Sanjay, very smart answer. Tell me the number. Tell me the number. Which number? 1, 3. 2, 3, Sanjay. Okay. Some people are saying this and this. Some people are saying this and this. Let us see both. Okay. I will tell you the reason later. What is the perfect one? 1, 2, 2. Somebody told 1 to 2. Okay. And somebody told 1 to 3. Okay. We will change the color. Next, somebody told 2 to 3. So, okay. Now, which one is the right? Sometimes you need to use your common sense. Okay. Before that, look at the swings. ये लो है, ये high, ये low, ये high. There is a lot of difference from here to here. Price is maintaining a huge difference in the lows. Yes or no? Price is maintaining huge difference in the lows. But here, what is happening? A low, almost nearer. Okay, almost nearer. Can you see this low and this? This is not maintaining a difference. It is very much little. Okay, that's the reason you can consider this one and this one. And one more thing, if you can see, if stock is moving like this, okay, you have to join these two lines, means you will draw like this. Okay, later when market is here, you will get these two recent swing lows. Okay, you will join like this. Okay, later you will join like this. Later when market is here, you will join like this. Okay, so later market, if it is moving like this, you will join like this. So every recent two trend lines, two lows, if you join the two lows, every recent two lows will give you the momentum of the stock. Okay, every time stock will be changing its momentum. Okay, now you can see here point number 1, point number 2. When stock is here, price is here, you will be joining 1 and 2. Okay, then price is moving upside, and here what will happen? Price will break this trend line. ये trend line को बोलेंगे ये. Okay, now what is the meaning after it breaks this trend line? The momentum which was earlier has reduced. It will tell you, trend line आपको क्या बोलेगा? It will tell you time and also price of the future. फ्यूचर में इतने टाइम पे इतने ही प्राइस रहेगा ये स्टॉक करके वो बोलेगा. सपोज इफ ट्रेंड इज सस्टेनिंग अबव दिस on July, on this day, if price will come and touches here, it will be exactly 4,500. So on this day, if it is touching here, it is exactly 4,800. So trend line includes both time and price. Okay, once it breaks this trend line, तभी क्या होगा? ये क्या मोमेंटम रहेगा ना, वो कम हो जाएगा, वो कम हो जाएगा. Okay, that's the reason. Next green trend line, this is the A, this is the B, this is the green trend line. You can see it is almost equal to zero, almost equal to zero, right? Inclination almost equal to zero. Yes or no? That's the reason stock is not moving. कभी वो इतना इंक्लिनेशन में रहेगा ना, इसका मूवमेंट बहुत फास्ट रहेगा. So you need to trade only the stocks which are above 45 degree. You can also trade above 30 degrees. Okay, so if the inclination is increasing, trend line का inclination increase हो रहा है ना, तभी उसका momentum ज्यादा रहेगा. So you need to trade only that stocks. Did you understand? Don't trade the stocks which are having this kind of trend lines. It is almost flat. And if you see this, if you join from here to here, okay, this inclination is more. It is almost 40 degrees. Okay, when there is a inclination, then when there is a inclination more than 40 degree, the stock movement will be better. Okay, I will show you one more example. So I have joined 1 point, second point, okay, third points. Now when you can see this is more than 45 degree, when trend line is more than 45 degree, you can see from 3600 it went to 4400 points. How many days? Almost in 1.5 month, मतलब 45 days में 45 days में 400 points चला है. When if you can see this kind of trend line, इधर पे कितना चला है? 3800, almost 200 points. But what is the time? इधर पे it is almost 2 months. So इसका मतलब क्या है? When the trend line inclination is more and price if it is trading above that inclination, so उसी पे मोमेंटम ज्यादा रहेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, take these two highs and join until and unless price is below this trend line. Okay, it is bearish. Until and unless it breaks this high, it will be bearish. Okay, once it breaks high, then no more this trend will be working. Okay, then there is a change of trend will happen. Okay, change of trend will happen. Now this is a resistive line. कभी आप डाउन ट्रेंड को बोलने वाला ट्रेंड लाइन कभी भी वो रेसिस्टिव लाइन ही होता है. दैट इज द रेसिस्टेंस इटसेल्फ. एंड यू कैन सी दिस ट्रेंड लाइन इज this is the 0 degrees and this is almost 45 degrees. If the stock is trading above or below 45 degrees, then the movement will be very good. You need to trade in such stocks. Okay, these stocks can be used for shorting and this kind of stocks will be used for buying. Okay, clear होगा? Now you can see I have drawn a trend line here. So price is below that. See, exactly it offered resistance. Today we got a down, and weekly we also I told to sell. Don't go for buying. Buying should happen only if it trades above this trend line. Until the price is below the trend line, it will be bearish. Sham Ghosh, it is not mandatory to have 45 degrees. It is good that if you select that stock, क्या होगा ना, आपका टारगेट बहुत जल्दी मिलेगा. ओके, now from here to here, if I draw a trend line, and this is the third touch, you must always buy and sell at the third touches. Okay, this is the third touch. You can buy here. Okay, this is the buying point. Always we use trend lines to trade at a third touch. Most important thing. दो लो आप ज्वाइन कर दिए ना, the third low you need to wait here to take a buy trade. Okay, तो रेसिस्टिव लाइन है ना, तो थर्ड टच पे आप सेल करने के लिए रेडी रहना चाहिए. बीरज पटेल, आपको कितना एक्सपीरियंस है स्टॉक मार्केट में? रविराज, यस रविराज, फॉर इंट्राडे. बीराज पटेल, व्हाट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस? कितना एक्सपीरियंस है? 1 year. If you have 1 year experience, still you cannot understand. बोले तो कैसे? Now, if you can see here, one touch, second touch, third touch पे you can take a sell trade. Okay. Then fourth, fifth, that is different. I will tell you how to trade fourth, fifth. Shashidhar, which point we start to measure? Sir, always first start from the high. Okay. So when you start from the high and lowest point, that will tell you long-term view. Okay. To understand the recent trend, अभी क्या चल रहा है? You must take the recent two highs because it is making lower low, right? So take a recent two highs. Okay. Got it? शशिधरा. सर आप, दिस इज द फर्स्ट डे बीरज, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, सभी समझ में आएगा. whenever you want to understand the recent trade, recent trend, तो आप recent lows को trend line बनाना चाहिए. Okay, if you want to understand the bigger trend, you need to go for the older lows. Okay. You can see here accumulation. Okay, again a distribution, reaccumulation, again a distribution, reaccumulation, accumulation, distribution. So how this is happening? This can be said only after happening. You cannot say exactly it is going to be a distribution or accumulation. Okay, you can say whether it can be a reaccumulation or redistribution. That is possible, but directly the base and the bottom top you cannot say. Okay. Shashidhar, you can see no? This is the high, this is the low, this is the high. If you join this both, okay, third point is the selling point. Third point will be the selling point. Exactly, you can see market is took U-turn. I have posted one chart saying that a clear rejection. Clear rejection. Yes. So from here it fell this much. Yes, Pius, yes, that chart. Okay. Next up, you understood trend lines. Let us understand a supportive horizontal lines. Horizontal lines matlab, it is very simple. Horizontal lines, where do you draw the horizontal line? Nagaraj, you are unable to see any line, any charts. आपको चार्ट नहीं दिख रहा है क्या? नागराज राजू सर మీకు కనపడలేదా యావది? Everybody can see. Chintamani, if breakout as third point, stop loss hit, that's all. Nagaraj Nundi, I have shared in Telegram, not here. Okay. if you can select all the swings, highs and swing lows, those are the exact locations of real supports and resistances. See, trend line is not a real support and resistance. Trend line matlab that is a geometrical support and geometrical resistance. It is a calculative support and resistance. Got it? But what is the real support and resistance? Horizontal line. Take a horizontal line. It is there here, horizontal line, Alt H. Okay. Place it on any of the swing high and place it on any of the swing low. Okay. That will become the real support and real resistance. This is called real resistance. This is called real support. Okay. Naveen, don't worry about that now. Okay. Why did I say this? Nobody will tell you this thing. Please remember, concentrate on this. You need to draw the support and resistance, real support, real resistance. Whenever I say real support and real resistance, it is a horizontal support and horizontal resistance. Okay. You must always draw the trend supportive resistive lines to the swing lows and swing highs where stock has traveled so much. Don't draw to the smallest swings. Don't draw to the smallest swings. इसको नहीं ड्रा करना. इसको नहीं ड्रा करना. Draw only to these swings, biggest swings. मतलब यही से स्टॉक अप जाने के लिए शुरू हुआ तो इधर तक गए. So it went around 6,000 points. So it is a big movement. Draw support to that swing low. So from here it has fell 600 points. That's the reason draw the resistance to that line. Okay. Got it? This will work very powerful than drawing this. You can draw support and trend line, support and resistance for even for this, but this will work very powerful. Okay, you can see here this was the earlier support. You can see price came here, from here it went up, it took a support. So all these supportive and resistive lines will work almost 90%. Okay, only the thing is you must know when to draw it, where to draw it. Okay, is it clear? Bharti Airtel. Okay, let us draw. Okay, let us draw. Now, where to draw the supportive and resistive lines? Matlab horizontal lines. First of all, when you see this, which is the origin of this? What is the origin of this? अभी प्राइस चल रहा है ना, उसका origin कहाँ पे आया है? What is the origin? Origin मतलब कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? ये प्राइस का शुरुआत क्या कहाँ से हुआ? It is from here, right? This is the origin. From here it came down. Okay. What is the origin of this? Origin ये है. इसका origin कहाँ से आए? इधर से. इसका origin कहाँ है? इधर से. Okay. इसका कहाँ है? उधर से. Got it? Origin मतलब कहाँ से आए? So first, if the price CMP is here, look at this location from where this price has come. Okay. immediately go to that location. This is the origin. Okay, and draw the horizontal line for that to the high, to the high. Now look at this, whether this has come from bottom. Okay, yes. So is it a huge move? Yes. So इसको बना लो अभी एक horizontal line. Okay. Now this becomes upper horizontal lines become a resistance and this becomes support. Support मतलब floor. Okay. Resistance मतलब ceiling. Price उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए टच किया तो वो आपको नीचे इट विल क्या बोलेगा, it will move the stock downside. Okay, so whenever price comes to these locations, you can see some kind of reaction. Okay, what kind of reaction that is? Whenever the price reaches to the support, okay, higher chances it will return from here. Whenever it reaches to the resistance, higher chances it will return from here. Okay, Zerodha, what tools are there? Are same, sir. Zerodha's chart also trading view chart. Okay, you can get IQ. Go to the IQ. In that you will get this. Okay. Now let us understand how this support and resistance will turn opposite. This is the support now. This is the resistance. Okay. Suppose if it breaks, price breaks this resistance, ceiling को break कर दिए, ऊपर चले गए, तो ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर है, ये फर्स्ट फ्लोर है. सो सीढ़ियां के ऊपर चले गए, ये ब्रेक करके ऊपर चले गए, तो क्या होगा, ये आपका फ्लोर हो जाएगा, आपका सीलिंग टर्न होके फ्लोर हो जाएगा. नाउ यू कैन वॉक ऑन दिस फ्लोर, easily you can walk on this floor, right? So whenever you come below this floor, then this will become the resistance and this will become the support. Now you can walk here easily, you cannot walk here. Okay, उसको बोलेगा, उसके बोलेंगे फ्लिप. फ्लिप बोला तो चेंज, सपोर्ट जाके रेसिस्टेंस हो जाएगा, रेसिस्टेंस जाके सपोर्ट हो जाएगा. Whenever resistance is get broken, the resistance will turn into support. Whenever the support is get broken, this support turns into resistance. Okay, now it will act as a resistance. Here it will act as a support. So price इधर गिरेगा और इधर से ऊपर जाएगा. प्राइस इधर ऊपर आने के लिए ट्राई करेगा, ये इधर पे रिवर्स होगा. चेंज ऑफ पोलैरिटी. यस. Okay, it is clear, right? Now let us go to older. So you take this high and this low, or draw the horizontal line to this and to this low. See, we have drawn here, but if you go and see backside, why price has taken a U-turn from here, the reason you can find it here. Earlier it was a support, it was a support, it was a support. Why it was a support? From here stock has moved huge, stock has moved huge. That is the reason it becomes support. Sir, it is a daily time frame. You can see here, D matlab daily time frame. Okay. In future, let us see in the future, price did not come to this support again. Okay. And this was the resistance. This was the resistance. Price tried to break here, did not sustain above that, again came down, again tried to break out, again came down, again a breakout, again came down. Now it is taking support at the same level and from it is returning. So बाद में ये support touch करने के लिए नहीं आएगा price because it has taken support multiple times. Okay, later what it does, इधर पे reaccumulation कर लिया और इधर से चले गए, बाद में इधर पे नहीं आएगा. It may take a lot of time, lot of years. It will not come here. Okay, as of now it will not come here because it has tried so many times to break this. Finally it has given a breakout that level. एक बार ऐसे हो गए तो price it will go away from that area. Okay, it will go away from that area. This is called pain area. We call it as a pain area. Okay, is it clear? Support and resistance and change in उसको क्या बोलेगा, resistance become support and support become resistance. Yes. See, in stock market, what is very important is horizontal line, trend line. Okay, horizontal line, trend line. If you know these two lines to draw properly, just by using trend line, you can make a lot of money. That's why give importance to the trend lines. There are a lot of things to understand in the trend line. वो आपको एक लाइन जैसे दिखेगा बस, but there are lot of things to understand from a single trend line. Lot of things are there. I have given a clue that you can get a time and price of the future, and it will tell you what is the momentum in the stock. Momentum मतलब क्या स्पीड पे चल रहा है आपका गाड़ी, 60 किलोमीटर स्पीड, 70 किलोमीटर स्पीड, 100 किलोमीटर स्पीड. Okay, yes, if it is beyond 45 degree, speed will be more. Okay, if it is lesser than 45 degree, thoda less. There is a 45 divided by 2, how much? 20, 22 and a half. So beyond 22 and a half degree, you can understand there is a momentum has started. Abhi start hua hai. Okay, you can see here, if I draw a trend line, okay, it is almost more than 45 degree. So that's the reason 255 to 480. How much time? 19 to 23. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years पे कितना रिटर्न दिया है वो? टू 17% return. Yes, 217% return, almost 200%. Take it as a 200% because the price is here now. 4 साल से, because it is above 400 45 degree. So वो नीचे आ जाएगा ना, below 45 degree, उसका मोमेंटम कम हो जाएगा. ओके, उसका मोमेंटम कम हो जाएगा. See, you can see it is also swing low, it is also swing low, right? If I join these two swing lows using a trend line, this swing line is just maybe 10 to 15 degrees. Okay, until the price is here, ये touch पे है ना, you can see 2013 to 2019, 6 years, price is not moved anywhere. Price is not at all moved anywhere. Yes or no? Either say either. How much movement? From 220 to 2000 to 220 to 260. Only 20% 20% movement. 20% movement for 6 years. 6 years. Okay. That's why trend line will tell you what momentum it is there now. Prasad Reddy, intraday, what is your patience level? What is your patience level? Prasad Reddy. If you can hold 1 hour, आपका ट्रेड మీ ట్రేడ్ మీరు ఒక్క గంట సేపు హోల్డ్ చేయగలరైతే 15 మినిట్స్లో ట్రేడ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, మీకు పేషెన్స్ లెవెల్ నాకు 15 మినిట్స్ 20 మినిట్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం అంటే 5 మినిట్స్లో ట్రేడ్ చేయండి. ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు, so whatever the time frame you are trading, your target will hit maximum time. It will take 4 to 5 times of your time frame. Okay. Next channel. Channel matlab there are two types of channel: uptrend channel downtrend channel, and with this sideways channel. Okay, channel matlab nothing different here. Price will be in a range. When it is going upside, it will create a range, equal range. When it will be falling, it will create a equal range. When it is moving sideways, it will create a equal range. So इसको बोलेंगे हमें channel. Okay, price is moving exactly in a range. Whenever you join both the highs and lows, exactly that highs and lows trend lines will be parallel. If you join highs and lows here, exactly these trend lines will look like a parallel. Okay, if you join these highs and lows here, exactly these trend lines will look like a parallel. Simple. Should we always work horizontal lines and trend lines together? Later we will come to that. You can use a horizontal line or trend line, it will work. You can also use together or you can use separately, no problem. Okay, this is uptrend line, this is a downtrend line, this is sideways, this is uptrend channel, this is downtrend channel, and this is sideways channel. Channel matlab the price is moving in an equal range, that's all. Okay. If you can see, this is one of the channel. This is one of the channel. Why we call this as a channel? Matlab price is moving inside this. It is moving upside, but it is inside this range. The range is exactly equal. So it is touching low exactly here, touching high here, touching high here, exactly low is touching. Why do we use this channels is it is very easy to do analysis in the channels, and it is very easy to take the trades in the channel. Okay, because you already know what is going to happen in the future. Suppose this and this has joined. Okay, this and this has joined. Price still it is here. Okay, you will be waiting. If support price comes to this support, you will be buying here. Suppose when price is coming here, you are selling here. You can see the result in front of your eyes. You can see the result. After that, you are buying here. You are buying here. You can see the result. You can see the result. Later it came down and a breakdown happened. That is different. But when it is coming to that area, see the reaction of the price. So we are going to use this benefit of this reaction. Oh, this is horizontal channel. It is a sideways channel. It is a sideways channel. It will also very helpful to take trades when it comes to the supports. Okay, to when it comes to the resistance and when it comes to the supports. Let us search downtrend channel. This is downtrend channel. Can you show yesterday and today how it is happened? Yes, wait. So this is the downtrend channel. So here you can understand easily when price is going to touch the resistance, when it is going to touch the support, when it is going to touch the resistance, when it is going to touch the support. So you make use of these points to take the trades. Okay. So this is down channel. And you might ask, there is no questions from your side. You are just listening. You might ask, why did I adjusted these trend lines in the channel? Yes, you can adjust to create the channels. Okay. To create the channels to meaningfully. This is meaningful, right? When it is meaningful, you can adjust the lines. When it is not meaningful, you cannot adjust. Okay. Now, trading styles. What is the meaning of trading style? Whether you are an investor, whether you are a short-term investor, whether you are a swing trader, whether you are intraday trader, whether you are a scalper. Okay. This is the different types of trading styles. Okay. This is long-term investment. This is short-term investment. Matlab, long-term matlab 5 years, 10 years. 5 years, 10 years. Short-term matlab 3 months to some 2 to 3 years. Okay. And swing trading maybe 1 or 2 days, maybe 5 days. Okay. Intraday trading matlab taking a trade in the same day and closing the trade in the same day. Okay. Scalper matlab ट्रेड 1 मिनट पे 2 मिनट पे ट्रेड लेना, with you have to exit within another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, this is called scalping, catching all the moves, all the small moves. Okay, these are the different types of trading. Why do you need to understand this is, first of all, look your mind and look into your mind capacity, whether you can be a investor, you can be a swing trader, or you can hold, आपका ट्रेड होल्ड कर सकते हैं, कितना दिन होल्ड कर सकते हैं, all that before entering into the trades, decide yourself what kind of trader you are. Okay, बाद में वही टाइप ट्रेड करना शुरू करो. ओके, क्या होता है ना, यू विल जंप इनटू द स्टॉक मार्केट एंड यू विल टेक ए टिप, he will hold it for a 5 days 6 days if it is not moving to the target, so then you will be suffering a lot. Okay, that should not happen. First decide that आपका माइंड सपोर्ट कैसे कर सकता है, किसी को कर सकता है, in 5 types. Okay, if you can support any of this, select that type and trade only that type. That is the secret behind success in the trading. Now we have understood channels. Let us see the triangles. Triangle 1, it is a equilateral triangle or a symmetrical triangle. Okay, second one is, anybody know? Symmetrical, then ascending, good, yes, this is ascending triangle. Okay, this is the ascending triangle. Okay, third one is descending triangle. This is the descending triangle. This is a descending triangle. Why we call different types of triangle means, every triangle has a different purpose. Okay, first one is a symmetrical triangle. So when price is moving, equal pressure from upside and equal pressure from downside will create, if you join the highs, if you join the lows, exactly somewhere it will meet. Okay, so equal pressure from upside, equal pressure from downside, this is called symmetrical triangle. When equal pressure is happening from upside and downside, okay, what can happen? At some point of time, somebody will give up, and those who is not giving up, he will push the prices in opposite direction. So why this symmetrical triangle is happening? Sellers and buyers are fighting. Same quantity, he is ready to sell 1000 quantity, he is ready to buy 1000 quantity, and somebody is ready to sell 5000 quantity, and somebody is ready to buy 5000 quantity. So a single point, one point will come where a buyer or seller will be उसको क्या बोलेगा, dominated over other. One is dominated over other. Then what will happen? Yes, one surrenders and one will get dominated. So those who surrenders, उसको opposite में price निकालेगा. Those who dominate, price will go in favor of them. Support in this point, buyers has the upper hand, they will give a breakout upside. Okay, if suppose the seller is a dominant here, then he will give a breakdown here. So iska matlab whenever you get a symmetrical triangle, you can expect any side breakout. Either it can be breakdown or it can be breakout. Okay. So that is the reason I told you here. I have shown first chart S and P. In this trend line, in this triangle, you can see equal pressure from upside, equal pressure from downside. Here, what can happen? It can give a breakout upside or it can give a breakdown downside. Anything can happen. Okay. So we will see some more examples. This one, and there is this one. Okay. These are the examples. Okay, Ayyappan, we will see. We will see. This one. And this one. If you can spot anywhere, you can tell me. No problem. And one more triangle here is this one and this one. Okay. And this one and this one. Please try to spot yourself if you have charts. Okay. So trend lines, symmetrical trend lines can be given breakout upside or downside. We need to wait for the breakout. Actually, this is also, if you turn this into lower time frame, this is also triangle. Okay. Let let me turn this. If you can see, I told you, no, this is the same. Okay. This is the same. This same. Okay. Which is ascending? Alok Singh. It is not ascending. Symmetrical. I am showing asymmetrical. Symmetrical. This. No, sir. No, no. No, Brijan. There is no minimum candles. There is no minimum candles. Okay, try to find out yourself in your charts later. And the next one, let us discuss ascending triangle. Ascending triangle में क्या होता है? इधर क्या होगा? See, price will be moving like this, and every time it is making higher lows. See, every time it is making higher lows, but equal, almost equal highs. So इस पे क्या हो रहा है? इधर तो फर्स्ट वन में इक्वल प्रेशर फ्रॉम बायर्स एंड सेलर्स. ओके, हियर इन असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल एक ही लेवल पे सेलर सेल कर रहा है. द सेलर इज सिटिंग एट द सेम लेवल में, ही इज सिटिंग एट द सेम लेवल एंड सेलिंग. ओके, but buyer is attacking at every high, not letting the price to come to the even previous low. Okay, so higher high में buy कर रहा है. Buyer is able to buy at paying higher prices. That's why he is creating higher lows. Okay, and when it is like this, we can expect a 75% of the time upside breakout. Okay, so this should be combined with the history. Yes, Hemant. Okay, no problem. Okay, we should combine this with the history, then the result will be different. Okay, higher chances 75%, it will give you upside breakout. At 25%, it will also give you downside breakout. Both are also possible. Okay, same in the descending triangle. Same in the descending triangle. So buyer is sitting at the same level, he is accumulating at the same level, but seller is every time selling at lower highs. Every pullback में seller sell कर रहा है. Every pullback में higher chances it will give you breakdown 75% of the time. 25% of the time it will also give you break out of this trend line. Okay, let us see both the examples. Can you able to see equal lows and this lower highs? Can you see? Can you see this? No proper responses. Then it is possible for me to go fast. Okay, it's okay. Here it has given opposite breakout. Okay, it was like this, right? Suppose it has to give breakdown, but it did not happen, but it went upside. Okay, opposite direction. So where is your entry in these breakouts? So whatever the trend line you draw here, if it gets a breakout, look at the breakout candle. Okay, look at the breakout candle. you need to buy above that breakout candle, and your stop loss is 2 candles earlier to that breakout candle low of the 2 candles low, which is earlier to that breakout candle. This is the breakout candle. Okay, your buy should be above the high of this breakout candle. Low should be 2 candles low earlier to that breakout candle. 1 and 2. This is the stop loss. For every breakout, remember, same. Remember the same. This is the breakout candle. So you need to buy above this. So stop loss will be 1 and 2 candles prior to the breakout candle. Uska low stop loss. Okay. Bhaskar Reddy, it is very good that you wait for the retracement. Retracement trades are always good. Okay. Sir, that is what I am telling you. Somebody is asking, Nagraju, sir, me buy ikkad cheyali, me stop loss 2 candles low kinda pettali. Idi stop loss. Sir, why retracement happens means, see, whenever it is giving a breakout, okay, there are lot of pressure is applying from the buyers, right? Buyers or sellers, breakout pay, lot of pressure will be there. Because of that pressure, it will move out of that resistance area. Then immediately it will get tired. Price trade ho jayega. Uska matlab exhaust. Okay. After the exhaust, it will take a retest. Matlab taking a breath for the further up move. Got it? Most of the time breakout के लिए, breakout candle के लिए बहुत ज्यादा दम डालना पड़ता है. Okay. Because of that, it will take a rest. उसको बोलेंगे हमें retest. Harsh, standard time frame will be 15 minutes. Okay. Harsh. But sometimes retracement does not happen. Sir, there are a lot of reasons. Because whenever there is a breakout candle, उसका preparation पहले से हो गया है, इधर पे हो गया है. So energy is already prepared here. Then it will not retest. Retest नहीं होगा. Already it has the energy, means it will be keep going. Okay. Whenever it is applying only energy for the breakout candle, then it will retest. Okay, let us see some more. Now, one more very good example you can see here. What is this? What type of triangle is this? Descending. Good. So now you can see what has happened. What has happened here? What has happened? What has happened? Breakdown or breakout? Breakdown. Good answer. Now, where is your entry? This is the breakdown candle. Okay, right. This is the breakdown candle. Below the low. Okay, where is your stop loss? 1, 2 candles high. Okay, this is the stop loss. You can also keep the standard stop loss, which is recent swing high. Okay, suppose if you felt this is very small, stop loss hit हो जाएगा करके आपको समझा तो then you can keep a recent swing high as the stop loss for selling, recent swing low for the stop loss for buying. Okay, what will be the target? Target will be size of this height, size of this height. Yes, Pius, yes, good. Size of this, let us see the height of that. $454 points is the height. Okay, whenever it starts like this, what is the first triangle? Take the height of that. Okay, and target will be from here, the height of that will be the target. Okay, take the height of that and move that to the recent swing high. Okay, and your target will be this 40620 for the downside. Okay, 40620 for the downside. Okay, your luck or my luck, don't know. We are getting all the things which are opposite breakdowns or opposite breakouts. Favor breakouts नहीं मिल रहा है हमें live पे. Let us see some more charts. Yes, Sagar. నాగరాజు స్టాప్ లాస్ మతలబ్ స్టాప్ లాస్ అంటే మీకు ఎక్కువ లాస్ కాకుండా తక్కువ లాస్ లో బయట వచ్చేదే స్టాప్ లాస్. ఓకే, యాక్సిడెంట్ అయినప్పుడు ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది కదా, అలాగా ఇఫ్ ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్ ఓపెన్స్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ విల్ బి వెరీ లెస్. ఇఫ్ ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఓపెన్డ్, then what will be your expenses in accident? Same way, safety. When you are going wrong, okay, whenever your analysis goes wrong, definitely we are human beings. Trading is a probability game. Sometimes it will go wrong. Whenever it goes wrong, you will be exiting in a small loss. How to put stop loss, that I will show you in other session, sir. Okay, go to crude oil. The crude oil in a sideways channel. Okay, sideways channel. You can see right now we have discussed that it is a sideways channel. It is between this line and this line right now. Here it was in a channel. You can see up channel. It was in up channel. Okay, here. See, sometimes it will, you will not get exactly. You can see here, it is hitting the resistance multiple times. Same. Okay, this is how it will get. It is ascending triangle. Okay, so the breakout has given like this. Okay, this is the ascending triangle in the crude oil. And this is a descending. It is a breakdown. Okay, this one. It is not necessary it should be very long. Okay, don't think like that. Classically, you don't get the patterns. DLF. Okay, What time frame, sir? DLF. What time frame? What time frame, sir? Yogesh. We bought this stock in 120 rupees. Fifteen minutes, okay. You can see lot of examples. Triangle, breakout. Again here. Okay. And this is a downtrend channel. Okay. And again there is a triangle here. ఎక్కడ సార్ ఎక్కడండి where is no ascending triangle is here. It was here. It was here. It was here. It was ascending triangle. But breakdown is given downside. Yes. Breakdown is given downside. How to open chart in a trading view if I have no account? Boss, if you don't have account, you don't need to worry. Okay. You just open trading view and then there is a sign up. Okay, sign up कर लो, आपको अकाउंट हो जाएगा, चार्ट ओपन हो जाएगा. अनिल जी, ट्रायंगल पे टारगेट ए पहला का ये होता है ना, ट्रायंगल पे ट्रायंगल होता है ना. ओके, दिस इज द ट्रायंगल राइट. ये ट्रायंगल पे पहला ट्रायंगल होता है ना, इसका हाइट सेल करना है तो रिसेंट स्विंग हाई से लेना, बाई करना है तो रिसेंट स्विंग लो से लेना है हाइट. And you can see one more triangle here. Now you can take the height of this and you can measure this height and recent swing high से इतना होगा आपका टारगेट. ओके अनिल, क्या शो करना है? व्हाट इज द टाइम फ्रेम? इफ यू वांट टू सी द टाइम फ्रेम यू कैन सी हियर. इधर पे देखना है आप. ओके मैं क्या टाइम फ्रेम पे देख रहा हूं आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. BPCL I have given buy in this. Okay, this is ascending triangle. This is ascending triangle. So ascending, descending and symmetrical triangle, it is clear. All of them required at the same time trend line, horizontal line, channel, triangle for the analysis. Yes. Okay. Now I already told a breakout पे कैसे trade लेना है. Take above the high of the breakout candle trade or sell below the low of a breakdown candle. Okay. Stop loss will be always earlier two candles high or earlier two candles low. Okay. Now we have another 15 minutes. Trend lines are very static. Okay. Once we draw the trend lines for the swings, okay, it will be static. But there is a dynamic trend lines. There is a dynamic trend lines. We call it as a moving averages. Moving averages. Moving average is nothing but a line. Okay, line. It is the connection of the dots. That's all. It is the connection of the dots. Intraday trading, Bank Nifty, what would be the ideal time frame for the charts to be used? 15 minutes, sir. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. You can also use 30 minutes. Morning, I have not able to type the message. That's why I have posted one message, that is by put value is at 200 to 204. How many of you seen that? How many of you seen that? Put value price is 200 to 204. It went above 250, right? Yes, Sujit. So that is, you can, I will show you that. I will show you. How many of you know the engulfing pattern? You traded also. Okay. So what has happened here? What has happened here? What happened? Yes, yes, Pius. Yes. That is the strong, you can see 30 minutes. That is enough. Where that is happening, that to where that is happening, exactly at third point, right? That's the reason we have taken reversal trade, like put option. Okay. Morning I had given buy in the Nifty, right? Bank Nifty was moving very tight upside. You can see very tight. Upside movement was very tight in the Bank Nifty. That's the reason I did not given buy call in the Bank Nifty. Okay. We have given buy in the Nifty. The reason is Nifty is stronger today. See, Nifty went very much high than the Bank Nifty. It was within the low Bank Nifty, but it is broken high. Okay. Now it is a trap. It is a trap. Let us see tomorrow what will happen. There is a triangle trend line here. Oh my God. There is a trend line here. Let us see tomorrow what will happen. Now, moving average. What is moving average? Moving average is same like candle, but instead of candle, there will be a single point. Chart will plot a single point below or above the candle, or it can be on the candle. How does that will be calculated? Moving average matlab, it is the average of some candles earlier to the present candle. Okay, average. It is like, what is the average marks of you? Matlab, you will be having 6 subjects. Okay, some subject will be getting 80 points, 80 marks. Some subject will be 50 marks. Some subject will be 20. So average of that will be the total average marks, right? Same way, if you are here today, if you want to 10 moving average, 10 value moving average, it will calculate previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 days closing. It adds 10 days closing and divided by 10. Whatever the value it will get, that will plot it as a dot. Okay. So whenever candles are forming, automatically it is plotted. These dots. Okay. These dots will be joined automatically and that will create a moving average. Got it? मूविंग एवरेज कैसे बनेगा पता चला आपको? Now there are different types of moving averages. SMA, simple moving average. EMA, exponential moving average. Okay, and some more moving averages are there, but we are not going to true moving average. All those are there. We are not going to use that. We are most of the time we are going to use SMA. Okay, and sometime EMA. Okay, so now no need to use EMA. You can use SMA. Can we get like yes, Nanjun Nagraju? Yes, Nagraju. Sagar, I will tell you. Just between those two. So difference between these two is you will find more noise in SMA. Okay, it will quickly follow. It will quickly respond to the recent price movement, but this EMA will not quickly respond. Okay, see, those who know mathematics, they know that exponential. So किसी नंबर को आप एक्सपोनेंशियल बना दिए तो you will get some round number. Okay, so if you see movement in the SMA like this in chart, in EMA, same EMA 10 moving average, it will be like just a minute. ओके, आज के लिए इतना ही बहुत है. यस, ज्यादा आप बन गए तो आपको दिमाग में नहीं चलता है. ओके, I will tell you different moving averages, when to use and when not to use. Simply always use SMA. Okay, no need to go for any other moving average as of now. We use 20 moving average, 50 moving average, 100 moving average, 200 moving average. Okay, obviously we have seen this. So why do we use? What is the reason? And if I tell you the logic, you can use this comfortably whenever you want as per your analysis. Okay, why do we use 200 moving average? मतलब 1 year पे 1 year we have 365 days. You already know that calculation. Okay. In that we have only 240 trading day sessions. In that it will go around 40 sessions for the holiday. Then only 200, around 200. It is not exactly 200 because sometimes we will get more holidays also, less holidays. That's why you cannot exactly calculate the number of working days. So we are taking this round figure. Okay. It means in 1 year, 1 year average pay. If you take 1 year average, if the price is trading above that average, that shows you bullishness. Okay. If the price is trading below that average, it shows you 1 year ka trend bearish hai. Because 1 year ka trend immediately it will not change. It will take a lot of time to change in a trend. For 1 year it takes a lot of time. So once it changes the trend, it will be very tough to come back. Okay, that's why this is to look for the long term trend when you are investing. Okay, when you are investing, and this is 100. This is the 6 months trend. Okay, again this is the 3 months trend, and this is 1 month trend. Okay, because we are the traders, short term traders, very short term traders, intraday traders, we go for 20 moving average most of the time. So we need a stock which is in trend within this 30 days, within this month. ये मंथ पे ट्रेंडिंग में कौन से स्टॉक है वो आपको चाहिए ट्रेड करने के लिए. दैट्स द रीजन maximum people we use 20 moving average. Most of the people they don't know what is the reason. They know the number, that's why they are using. Okay, so if you still wanted to find out the good momentum stock, you can decrease the moving average value. Okay, then you will get good momentum stock. Got it? Is SMA different from 5 minutes? Sir, if you change into any time frame, it will calculate in that time frame. 5 minutes में 20 minutes 20 moving average बोला तो 5 minutes का 5 minutes का 20 moving 5 minutes का 20 कैंडल्स का एवरेज निकालेगा. ओके, 15 मिनट्स में चले जाएगा तो प्रीवियस का 15 मिनट्स का 20 कैंडल्स का एवरेज निकालेगा. ओके, Sagar, I think you are not able to understand. I am trying to give you the concept. First, understand the concept. You yourself create your moving average. Okay, I told you if the moving average is lesser and the price is above that moving average, it is going to be stronger momentum. आपको momentum trading चाहिए, non momentum trading चाहिए. If you want more momentum, go to the lesser moving average. Sanjay Sharma, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Got it? Is everything clear? Which trading account should I open to have view you are showing? Nagaraju, I will help you to maybe Wednesday I will help you, Nagaraju. Please మీ నంబర్ ఇక్కడ టైప్ చేయండి. I will help you on that. All moving average today means momentum. Pious. Yes, Pious. Yes. Yes, Savarthi, you can use 10 SMA. It means within 15 days it is in trend. Okay. In this present 15 days it is in trend. Where will I get daily trades? Devendra, you did not get the Telegram channel link? Ramanujam. I am in the group. Ramanujam. Satyapandu. Satyapandu, I am speaking in English most of the time. ఏం డిఫికల్ట్ అండి మీకు? నేను హిందీ మాట్లాడట్లేదు కదా. For intraday, 5 EMA is better or 20 SMA is better? For normal trading, 20 SMA is better. For momentum trading, 5 EMA is better. Sir, simple. Those who are not still understand moving average, see, 20 moving average, okay. 10 moving average will be obviously above this and inclination is more. 5 moving average will be this, okay. If the stock is trading here, then it is lesser than 10 moving average. मतलब 15 days का और 15 candles का how to say that, this trend is very long term trend, okay. This is short term. इसका मतलब within this previous 15 minutes 15 candles trend is evolved faster, and this is within 20 trading candles this trend is evolved. Now understand, I will give you a proper example. See, 15 years age boy is stronger or 20 years boy is stronger? Who is stronger? The who is a lesser age, right? Lesser age, right? The person who is lesser age is the stronger. When it is going higher age, he is going to be weak. This trend is developed from the 15 candles earlier, 10 candles earlier, okay. This trend is developed from the 20 candles earlier. It's become old. This trend is become old, and this is newer trend. This is newer trend. Got it? The present trend is 5 minutes. उसका भी old trend is 10 minutes 10 moving average. उसका भी old trend is 20 moving average. Got it? If you want to trade 5 moving average 10 moving average, you should be very quick. See, this is 20 moving average, okay. You can see the inclination, it is like this, okay. Now I will show you difference. This is 10. See, it went still upside, okay. If you go to 5, it will be still upside. Now you can understand here, if price is above 5 EMA or 5 SMA, it means the recent trend is very momentum trend, momentum zyada high, okay. If it is above 10 and below 5, uska matlab the momentum is slower than 5, okay. Momentum slower than 5. When it is here, target achievable time will be very less. When it is just lower, target achievable time will be very less. When it is below 10, and it will be little more less. Yes, lower SMA is always sharp, fast. We can say fast. You might have seen some of the option sellers will be using 5 SMA. If you see that 5 SMA, it will be overlapping always. It will be on the candles. See, you will get very rare. This one, and from here to here, and here to here, and very small. Later, you did not get only this much. And this one. Okay. Sham Ganesh. Regularly, we will use a 20 moving average. Yep, normal ga manam 20 moving average use chestam. Okay. So 20 moving average is a universal moving average we use to look at the trend. So most of the time, if it is about 20 moving average, we consider it is still trend is sustainable. If it is 20 moving average, then downtrend is sustainable. Now you can see whenever price comes to that moving average, it will act as a support. Whenever it comes to that moving average, it will act as a support. It will act as a support. So this is the dynamic supportive trend line. Dynamic. Okay. Whenever price is moving, it will move according to the price. Okay. Sandeep, I am not continuing anything. Nagaraju, you must use this. You must use this. So same as a trend line, this moving average will act as a support and resistance. Okay. If the price is above the moving average, it will act as a support. If the price is below the moving average, it will act as a resistance. I think I have given a trade yesterday on this. You can see a good rejection from this level. The support from this level. Okay. Which one is a powerful moving average? 20. It is a universal. Gautam, yes. Gautam, don't use a technical analysis in options. Okay. Gautam, don't use a technical analysis in option. You can use technical analysis in option only when there is a momentum. Okay. So options में momentum कभी भी आपको मिले नहीं मिलेगा. It will be very rare. Jose Raj, if you have an advanced knowledge and you can decide this is going to be accumulation, then you can enter. But if you trade in options, you don't know when it is going to give you a breakout, then your option premium will erode. Okay. You can take position when there is a very narrow accumulation. That is better. If your option premium erode, that will be very less. But whenever it gives a breakout, that will be covered there. Jose, I hope you know the options and you can understand this. Both are powerful, Suresh. Okay, same moving average may be same high whenever it is inclined towards upside, like a trend line. Okay. If the price is above the moving average, it will be strong and trending. Same for the down. It should be inclined. It should never be flat, or it should never be in the 0 degrees. If it is in the 0 degrees, price will not be moving anywhere. You can see here itself. What is happening? It is flat. So there is no movement in the price. Price will go to sideways. Sanjay, what it is previous day range? Okay. So if any doubts, write it down, and I will clear you in the next session. Okay. I will tell you one thing. Please use 20 moving average. Okay. As of now, please use 20 moving average. Then if you develop the skill, if you can understand how to trade 20 moving average, go to 10 moving average. Okay. Step by step. Don't jump into the sharper moving average, because you must be very quick to trade the 10 and 5. Today market. Which market, sir? Nagaraju, which market? I am showing in the Nifty. Okay. You can see price can take in supports at this exactly like a trend line. Now it is trying to break down. We have done already analysis half an hour before that. Okay, what is that? If it crosses below this, it will go down. Okay. Yes, it is more than 45 degree. That's the reason it went from 17,400 to 17,700, 300 points. Just in how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 4 days. 4 days, 300 points. Ramanujan. Yes, sir, Ramanujan. Yes, yes. So shall I wind up the session? Okay, good night, everyone. Community, yes, community. Yes, Krishna. Yes. Good night, everyone. Good night. Jos, you can use this as a momentum indicator. Moving average, trend line. Shashidhar, the timings has already posted in the chat, IFM community. You can check. If you are not added to Telegram channel, please contact customer care. You will find the customer care number in the IFM community. There are a lot of posts with the customer care numbers. Please contact to that numbers. Namrata madam, you will get it tomorrow. What confirmation you need? Everything you will get it in the IFM community. Okay, madam, you can watch recording. मुझे एक भी रिप्ले कितुन मिल सर रिनाल आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड क्या सर आपको रिप्ले नहीं मिला आप कुछ पूछा क्या क्वेश्चंस Josh, don't take so much of risk on RSI. Okay, when there is very simple Why do you go for RSI and all? मेरा एक भी रिप्लाई नहीं मिला। सर आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है, पूछो। मैं आपका मैसेज एक भी नहीं देखा सर। Where I get recording? Everything, whatever you need, that will be get in the IFM community. कम्युनिटी में पोस्ट कर दिए जाएगा। इमरान, don't expect the market gap down, gap up. Okay, that is not good. Never expect anything about the market. Okay, please properly do analysis. 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में सब स्ट्रैटेजी काम करेगा। करेगा सर, करेगा। मृणाल, करेगा। Kaushik, I did not understand what you said. Every time frame you can use 20 moving average. Every time frame. Okay, Kaushik, you can live. You can live. Sagar, type your number if you want to open account. I will guide you. IFM community. मार्च ट्रेडर गैंग, मार्च ट्रेडर गैंग पे मिलेगा। चिंतामणि, I will come to that point. Don't be hurry. Okay, I will clearly tell you how to use moving average. अभी आपको कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन मिला है सर, अभी ज्यादा नहीं है, ये जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन। ओके, गुड नाइट एवरीवन, गुड नाइट।